tripped breaker with lights still on is an uncommon electrical problem that can stem from several root causes. Firstly, consider the possibility of a hot neutral bar. In a typical electrical system, the neutral wire serves as the return path for current from loads such as lights and appliances back to the utility transformer. If the neutral bar becomes disconnected or improperly grounded, it can create an imbalance within the electrical system, potentially leading to a trip breaker. However, if the lights are connected directly to the hot or phase wires without a neutral connection, they might continue to operate even with a hot neutral bar. Secondly, a miswired circuit could be the culprit. Sometimes during installation or modification, a circuit might be incorrectly wired, with the neutral wire connected to the hot terminal on the breaker. This miswiring can cause the breaker to trip while the lights remain energized, as the current flows through the hot wire and bypasses the neutral wire altogether. Thirdly, loose or damaged wire connections can also produce similar symptoms. When a wire connection becomes loose, it introduces high resistance into the circuit. This increased resistance can cause the breaker to trip as it detects an overcurrent condition. Simultaneously, the loose connection may still allow enough current to pass through to keep the lights illuminated, albeit potentially dimly. Fourthly, although rare, a faulty breaker itself should not be overlooked. Breakers can occasionally fail internally, leading to intermittent or premature tripping. In such instances, the breaker might not accurately detect overcurrent conditions, resulting in a tripped state while the lights continue to function. To pinpoint the exact cause of this issue, it is crucial to systematically troubleshoot the circuit. The initial step involves inspecting the neutral bar. Use a voltmeter to measure the voltage between the neutral bar and the ground. A significant voltage reading suggests a potential neutral bar problem, indicating that it is not properly grounded or is carrying unintended current. Next, carefully examine the circuit wiring. Trace the wiring throughout the circuit to ensure it is correctly connected. Verify that all neutral wires are connected to the designated neutral terminals on the breaker and at all other connection points within the circuit. Also, check that the hot wires are connected to the correct terminals in the breaker and the corresponding fixtures or appliances. Subsequently, tighten all wire connections. Ensure that all wire connections are securely tightened. Loose connections should be corrected to eliminate any potential sources of high resistance or arcing. If, after completing all of the above troubleshooting steps, the problem persists, consider replacing the breaker. A faulty breaker may be the underlying cause, and replacing it with a new, properly functioning breaker could resolve the issue. When undertaking any electrical work, it is essential to prioritize safety. Always turn off the main electrical panel before commencing any troubleshooting or repairs. Use appropriate tools and safety gear, including insulated gloves and a voltage tester. If you are not comfortable or familiar with performing electrical work, it is advisable to contact a qualified electrician who can safely diagnose and resolve the problem. Remember, electricity can be dangerous, and it is crucial to take all necessary precautions to prevent injury or property damage.